Tasks are scheduled on the individual level. Using the global search in your top menu, one of the many methods in your tabs, or one of your shortcuts, locate the person who needs to have a task done and open their contact file. Select the appropriate task from the drop-down. Please note that the available options may be very different for each status. Use the date picker to select the date the task needs to be done. Update the contact's record to schedule the task. Be sure you get a confirmation message. To complete a scheduled task, click on the Contact tasks in your shortcuts. Here you can see all the tasks you have scheduled for today. Click on the pencil icon to open a person's file. We see that this person needs a first contact email. Complete this task by clicking on the letter icon, selecting the first contact email template, and clicking Send. Once we complete this task, it may be appropriate to change this person's status. Whether their status is changing or not, you will most likely want to schedule a date to try again or do a different task. Click the back triangles to return to this person's file. In this example, it is appropriate to change this person's task to First Contact Complete. This enables a range of actions from which we choose to make a follow-up call in 1 week. Remember to always save your changes. There are several ways to stay on top of your tasks. To view all your tasks, go to your Tasks tab and select Manage from the drop-down menu. From here, you can view all your scheduled tasks in every status. You can see at a glance how many people are in each step of your sales process and can easily identify bottlenecks in sales servicing. You can select a task in any status to view the contacts waiting there and can access them at any point to review their file or complete the task they're waiting on. A past due task is a task that was scheduled for a previous date and has not yet been done. You can review and perform them by going to your Tasks tab and selecting Past Due from the drop-down menu. Here you can view and manage all the overdue tasks in your system. You can increase or decrease the number of entries on each page by using the drop-down. You can search for a person via the search box above the entry date column. Click on a column header to sort by that data. Use the phone icon to queue a call to that person to your phone via the free smartphone app. Use the trash can icon to delete that person. Or you can use the pencil icon to open their file. A great way to get a jump start on scheduled tasks when you find yourself with unexpected free time or are preparing for a vacation is to go into your Tasks tab and select By Date from the drop-down menu. Use the date picker to select a date, then click the curved arrow to refresh your list of scheduled tasks for that date. Additional tasks are tasks that aren't tied to a particular contact or are not normally part of your team's sales process, but may be necessary in delivering a superior sales experience. Go to your Tasks tab and select Additional from the drop-down menu. Here you can create and manage all of the additional tasks in your system. You can increase or decrease the number of entries on each page by using the drop-down. Click on a column header to sort by that data. Use the trash can icon to delete that additional task, or use the pencil icon to open it. Click the New Task button to add an additional task. Don't forget to click to save your changes. Please note that since additional tasks fall outside the scope of your established sales process, they are not included in the Manage, Past Due, or By Date sections. They are standalone tasks that are not even required to be tied to a particular contact. They can be personal, business, or team tasks, and they must be managed by you.